buddy?
Where's Sass at?
I don't even know.
Oh, hi,
Oh,
Sass.
here he is.
Don't.
Jump.
Jump.
Jump. Do a
Don't.
backflip.
Do a flip.
I'm going to jump!
Oh!
Do a flip!
Step away. No. Hey. Hey.
Jump
Hey.
up, big man.
I'm not gonna say it again.
You want to count to 3?
Sorry, y'all can
That
handle
was
it.
Norse code. Yeah, there we go. That was Morse code for doing it. Morse code, not Norse code.
Norse code.
Norse code. Yeah, that's the Nordic way of saying fucking jump, pussy. Amazing content.
Oh, this
The best. Ooh.
this place again.
Hey Sass, what are the odds you jump in this hole? You gotta. Okay. All right. That's awesome.
Well,
Is he dead?
We lost to Sass.
no.
He was a worthy sacrifice. So.
Oh!
Oh shit!
Nah.
Ugh. Oh, he's just walking away.
We're just. I hear Sass, but I haven't seen him.
Yeah, I don't know where he went.
It's,
What was that?
Hey,
What?
hey! Open up! Let me in! Let me in!
Let me in.
Let me in! Let me in!
Oh, what the f? No! Oh, please!
Oh,
Please!
throw something,
You got me
throw
by
it.
the tape!
throw it. Throw your
You
flash.
got me by the tape! Hold on! Help! Please!
How did we
Oh.
You just throw something
Well,
at it
thank
and it
you.
releases you.
Well, I appreciate you.
At the
You're so
camera,
sweet.
though.
I'll call you next week. That was pretty fun. Did he trip? Did he trip and fucking fall?
Okay.
I got a rib cage.
Yep, you can have fun with those snails too.
Oh!
Jesus!
Did you enjoy your hug?
No.
Oh, this is dead end.
Oh, we're stuck. Oh no. Murph?
Yeah.
No, no.
Hi, Snail. Yeah, go after them.
Oh!
Two snails, Sass.
Oh my god, I'm surrounded.
Yeah, keep
Oh,
on
why is
running.
he so loud?
Buddy.
Hi. Oh, there he is. Why does no one like to answer when I call for them?
Well, I didn't hear you.
Proximity chat.
Oh my god. Nah.
Someone's trying to light on Moo.
I was surrounded by those things and like these spider-looking things. And I had to
That's
run
horrid.
and jump and everything.
Cause this is Thriller.
Okay, it's dead.
Okay. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, no thank you.
Someone else on the camera.
You take it, Moo.
Odo, do you want it? Have you recorded yet?
I have not.
Yeah.
Help! Guys, help! Guys!
Where are you?
I need help!
He's held on by his chin.
I need help!
Bye.
Did you kick him?
Yeah.
You're awful. You kicked
Got it
him?
on camera too. That's crazy.
Yeah, this is on camera. You. Oh well.
Oh.
Oh!
Hell, fucking low.
Ah! Ah!
Oh!
Wait, he has a button. Wait. I want to push it. Can I push it? Can I push
Push
it?
the button. Push the button.
Come here.
Jump on him.
Stop moving.
Jump on him.
No!
Like you're a Mario character.
Oh!
They're both
Well, at least we got the answer. They're dead now. Hi, Johnny.
Oh! Oh! What the f*** is you?
Oh, no, no, no.
Yeah, nope, nope, nope. You're not grabbing me. Yeah, nope, nope. Juke, juke. Get juked out. Get juked out. Get juked out. You're getting juked out. You can't grab me.
So much money.
How did you enjoy the button?
Oh, it was
Yeah, that was
fantastic.
the button.
Best experience of my life. Would do it again.
Sass? Nope, we don't get his
Yes.
answer.
Yes.
Oh, I dropped the wrong thing. What the fuck? I broke it.
Reminding you of Talia.
Get off of me. God damn it. It's an unlimited energy source.
This is the most physical touch Murph has ever gotten from a woman.
Hey, I was born from my mother.
Oh.
That does count. That does count.
Got a bomb.
Oh!
God damn. We just got here.
Right off the bat.
Give us a second. Ew.
Oh, oh, no, oh. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Oh! Oh, it's got me! It's got me! Help!
It's coming back for us.
Oh, it's got me again!
Damn. Slide your shit.
Oh no! 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 No!
Hi, Gwen.
Bone.
Moo. Moo?
Don't get lost fucking around.
Moo.
Huh? Odo?
Oh. Murph. Where'd you go?
The bar.
Nice. We're all in
Nice
this
spine, Moo.
together.
Thank
and we
you.
know.
They call me the backbreaker. Ha ha ha.
Anything else left down there?
There's some doors down there.
Yeah, I still have 58.
Alright.
We should record the dead body.
Oh yeah, that would make sense. Where's his body at? Oh no, give it an interview.
As we can see here, we see a dumbass who's died like the first 5 seconds of us being here. You can tell by his limp body. Yeah. It's not a pretty sight.
Where's all the scary shit at? Oh.
And there's the abyss.
Eternal darkness.
Hey, it's darker.
Oh, Jesus! What the f are you
Grenades!
What the f is
Grenades!
that?
I'm running, I'm running, I'm running. How do we get back up?
I don't know. Okay, we're back in the back rooms.
That's just a fucking shadow. Alright, excuse me. I'm just gonna squeeze
Where?
past y'all. That way.
Oh, whoa. It's behind us. I can tell it's behind us.
Ooh.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh.
Oh, no,
I can
no,
hear
no,
its
no.
little footsteps.
Yeah. It's getting close.
Oh my
It's
God.
getting
Hi.
close.
Oh!
He's just pushing me. He's just pushing me.
Ah! 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 I'm getting sucked off! I'm getting sucked off!
Okay.
Where?
Ah! Follow my voice! I went back to the hole!
Right.
You went
hold
back
on,
to the
right
hole?
here.
Yeah, it's right outside the hole! Ah! Throw something at it!
Well, we're gonna die. Yeah, I've got nothing to throw.
Oh!
Damn. Damn.
Yeah, you're dead.
Alright, well, this was fun.
Yeah, it was really
Did
fun.
you have a good
yeah.
time?
You know, it could have been better if we all didn't die, but I'm okay.
Ye-